The backwoods way. Yeehaw. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me?
Hey guys and gals, what's crack-a-lackin'? Spicy here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. We're going to be talking about chicken eggs today. When we're dealing with chickens and raising chickens for meat or raising chickens to produce eggs, you know, we spend a lot of time, we spend a lot of money on trying to get a healthy chicken and a healthy egg. With the chicken egg, you know, there's certain things that you can do. You know, going to your feed store or Tractor Supply or something like that. There's some certain kind of feeds and certain kind of supplements that you can get to make your egg a little bit stronger than what it is. I know when I first got my 6 chickens that I have now, and they was laying eggs, my eggshells were really thin. They were easy to crack. They were easy to break. And like I said, when you can go to the feed store, you can get certain kind of feed that has a certain amount of calcium in it and other nutrients and ingredients that will help your chickens lay better eggs. And there's also, I think it's called oyster shells. It's crushed oyster shells that you can get for your chickens. It has calcium in it and help your chickens lay healthier eggs. But I want to show you a way to do it for free. Let me point you down to my counter and we'll talk about it. What I have here is a ice cream bucket. Inside my ice cream bucket are old eggshells. Whenever I hard boil eggs, whenever I fry eggs, I'll put my eggshells in this bucket and save them. This eggshell is nothing but pure calcium. And you can feed these back to your chicken, and that'll help your chickens lay healthier, stronger eggs. And I'll show you what I do to prepare these. What you need is a glass, some kind of smasher, something with a flat bottom on it. And you want to start crushing your eggshells. And you want to crush them down pretty fine. So let me get this crushed down. I'll be right back. Alright, so now we got the eggshells crushed up pretty fine. So these will be ready to feed to the chickens. There are several reasons why I like to crush my eggshells up pretty fine. One, whenever the chickens are eating the eggs, I don't want them to be choking on a piece of eggshell. And two, you crush up your chicken eggs because whenever you feed these to the chickens, you don't want the chickens to know that they're actually eggshells. And they think that it's okay to eat eggshells, and then whenever they lay eggs, they'll go in there and they'll eat their own eggs. And then you'll end up with no eggs at all. So it'd be pointless to do all this work for nothing. Alright, so let's go out and I'll show you how I feed these to the chickens. Alright, so I'll come in here to the feed shed, got my bucket of eggshells, and I'll get 1 scoop of chicken feed. That's how much I feed them during the day, is 1 scoop. And I'll pour this in here with the chicken egg, with the crushed up chicken eggs. And we'll give that a good mixing. Alrighty, got it all mixed up. Let's go give this to the chickens. Alrighty, now they got the chicken feed. Now they can eat on the chicken feed and eat on the eggshells at the same time. And they don't know they're eating on chicken eggs. Now, yes, I know I could have went to like Tractor Supply or a feed store and got some more different kind of chicken feed with higher calcium, or I could have went and got those crushed oyster shells. But any way that you can save money on your homestead, on your farm, doing a little hobby farming, or if you're just raising chickens for meat or eggs, anytime you can save some money, it's always a good thing to do. These little chickens right here, they are happy-go-lucky. They're just eating away, and like I said, they don't know what they're eating. So I have no worry about them going in after they lay eggs and eating on their eggs because they think it's okay. Alright guys and gals, that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this thing a thumbs up. Those things are awesome, helps me out. Hey, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, right above me, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other videos. If you want to check out a few more videos, 2 more will pop up over here on the side. Check those out and stick around for more videos. I'll see y'all in the next one. Until then, remember, everybody's got a little backwoods in them. I'll catch you later.